Everydollar, how to set up a budget. In this video, I will explain each and everything that how you can set up a budget on Everydollar. First of all, you have to create an account. So if you haven't already signed up for Everydollar account on the website, or you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store if you're using an Android. Then you have to set up your budget. Once you're logged in into the Everydollar, you will see an option to set up your budget. Click on the create budget or get started to begin. Now here you have to enter your original income. It's include your salary, wages, freelance income or any other source of income which you have received every month. Add budget categories. Everydollar allow you to create custom budget categories based on your spending habit. Example of categories includes groceries, utilities, rent, mortgages, transportation or whatever expenditure you do in a daily purposes. Enter each budget category and allocate a specific amount of money for it based on your monthly spending goals. Make sure to account for both essential and discretionary spendings. Now it's time to track your expense. As you spend money throughout the month, log your transaction in Everydollar. Here you can just monitor your budget, that how much you're spending, how much you're earning, and you can just do the adjustment as you need. And once everything is done, you can review your budget regularly, every day, every week, every month. By following these steps, you can set up a budget in Everydollar and take control of your finance effectively. Remember, this consistency and disciplines are the key to successful budgeting. I hope you found this video very useful.